Yes, welcome. Let's try today to look at how to create what we call, um, mainly others may call it smart art, but briefly, let's try to look onto how we can put what we call word art. Uh, Word art helps you to design or to change the way the graphics or the word or the motions or the appearance. You can make your words to slant in case you are designing a certain title in Microsoft Excel. Now in here we want to look at how we can change things like this. So by the end of the day, if you get these skills, they can enable you to do this information or to do this data in any other platform. You may do it in Microsoft Word, you may do it in a PowerPoint, as long as you have just learned it just in one uh, program. We have different programs in Microsoft Office Suite, but they have this slight differences. But if you have understood how to do maybe word art in Microsoft Excel, it can enable you to know how even to do it in other programs. Let's start. Onto the start menu. For starters, you can go to all programs. This is Windows 10. Into other programs like Windows 8 XP, you can go to all programs. Onto all programs, you look for Microsoft Office. When you look to Microsoft Office Suite, look for Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel, it doesn't matter which version, whether it's the latest version, they will have the same copy and feel. Uh, Now, let's start. Upon opening, you can rename this sheet. For easy follow-up, you can rename this as mm, Word Art. Word Art, and you rename this sheet. Then in here, you can type anything, or you can definitely go straight and say onto our menu, start menu, or onto the menu title bars. You can collect onto the title bar, you collect onto insert, then collect word art. When you have reached on word art, they will give you different colors and different looks. So it's all up to you to choose the one you want. I've chosen that. So in here, I can type like North Bridge. North Bridge. North Bridge Tech. If this is what I have, now I can continue to enhance the different forms of alignment, fill the shape or the color, outline. I can add shape effect and others. Remember, when I've picked one of these, it has prompted a new window that can show all this. You can see we have got shapes. You can insert shapes onto what you're doing, or you may continue filling in. I can come here and I change the fill. I can change the way my uh, stuff might be looking in form of a size and version. Let me use that. I may pick this. Then I can still come here onto the colors or the color palette. Then I choose a color of my choice. Still, I may continue to to apply some other elements like shape fill. Let's say what could be like the background of your shape. I may choose this to be the background, or I can still come back and change the background according to what you want. So Upon finishing that, you can outline the shape with another color maybe. Then you can come to shape effects, sorry, shape effects. You may choose which effect preferably do you want to use. I may use that form of shape effect. So onto shape effect, it will change the way your work, your words may appear. Still onto shape outline color, shape fill the inside. Then the what we call the way your letters may appear also may change. So in here, it's the components that you may choose. You choose whatever you feel like, so that you can change the way your word appears. Still, we can come here and try to look at uh, other items like rotate. You can rotate it to any angle. Let me rotate it to that angle. If I choose that, it means my work will appear like that. If I come back to rotate and try to rotate it vertical or into left, vertical or right, whichever angle you feel like, you may preferably take it like that. It doesn't matter. Then here you may change the size, or you can still rotate using your mouse to angle you preferably want. So it will all bring the same copy and feel. In here, it's all about your creativity to see which portion do I bring. So I can as well copy this and say paste. Then I get another one in here. Another one, I may have it like this. Then I may change the its appearance. I may change the way it appears by right clicking and I say format text effect or format shape. I format shape. All those are options. You may put with gradient. It doesn't matter which version you want to have it uh, look. So you're done with that. If you're done with that, it means you have really done the needful. You may choose the color of your choice. Then these are two elements that we are having. Still, I can say, let me get this one, the one which is back here, and I can bring this one to font by right click. Then I say bring font or bring backward. Let me bring it to font. So you see, it has now changed to font. All those are options that you can use while trying to use your word art. Briefly, that is it for now. You can continue practicing what we have been learning in two different ways, or I can change this and I bring it to font. So briefly, that is it for now. Thank you.